Good morning. Today we are changing the suspension kit on the LX470, on my LX470. Let's go see what's happening with the car. So what we have done here is we've changed the suspension, heavy duty control arm, extended bump stops, torsion bars, 1, 2, same thing on this side, same thing here in the back.